Today we have an amazing person, my friend Nitya Rangarajan here. So today let me introduce you with my very good friend, an author, a motivator speaker. So hello Nitya, welcome to this show, and we are beginning this series, and thank you for being part of it.
Yeah, first of all, thank you so much, Uma, for this opportunity.
Know, any experience of a mother that who transformed her life during your this program? When did you start this program? You said like which year you started this program?
I started this in 2023, August 2023. I always think of her mother. She's still there in my community. It's really a different experience. What happened was she joined my course, and on the first day, I told her about all these things, the root cause analysis and other things and all we decided. And we discussed and we had some mindset shifts also that day. The moment she got that mindset shift, she ordered a self care kit for herself. Can you guess the duration since she was planning to order that? But that was
You are busy, maybe under max.
years, 4 years.
Okay.
She was thinking for 4 years to order a self care kit. I
My
was really shocked to, yeah.
not just age, like she's not been thinking of days or months, but the years. She's not ordered it for herself.
At the end of the class, I told her, please go and order. She immediately ordered. She felt very happy. She ordered the self care kit. And that is something memorable for me. And she had this habit of reading books. She loves books, but she has not been reading since years. And then she started ordering books. I told her that please start ordering books. And she started ordering books and she has her own library now. So I'm so happy for her. Yeah. And she's now continuing with her reading. She's attending many courses. So it's really a good turning point for her and for me also. I feel very happy. And not only homemakers, for working women also, they found a lot of balance. As I told you, know, the transition between that office work and when they enter home. So that transition also has become very smooth for them. And at home also, they're able to plan well because what we do is every week we plan our priorities. So that's why I say for mothers, no, we need a separate productivity course. Generic courses will not work because generic courses they say you plan first. Okay, you write 1, 2, 3, 4. You prioritize. No, that will not work. We have a different mindset, completely unique mindsets we have as mothers. So we have to first of all address that, and then only we have to start prioritizing. Planning is not a big deal for mothers. That's what I believe in. So prioritizing is very, very difficult for us. Prioritizing us. That's priority management is
The
one.
center, yes, putting us in the center is for all mothers, I think, across globe. It's not just in India. I think
Yeah.
it's a global phenomena that wherever you find mothers, you find them sidelining themselves and pushing others forward. No, no, you go. No, they have this inherent tendency. We as women have an equal right to at least, be sometimes in the center. And I think society needs that feel good thing that comes out of that joy of taking the center sometimes, taking the center stage sometimes, and being appreciated for your work. Because the mother's work, I feel, I don't know, you know more, but I feel mother's work is never visible. It's an invisible, totally like air. It's there all over. We cannot survive without it. But similarly, without moms, we cannot survive. But we never acknowledge. We don't tell air, okay, wow, you are so good. Because of you, I'm alive.
Yeah.
Same way, nobody tells the moms except for the Mother's Day.
And one more thing, Uma, not only homemakers and working women, I thought entrepreneurs, no, mompreneurs will be a little bit okay with all the mindset shifts. But then I found out even they were having the same mindset, the old one. Okay, so then the transformation took place for some of the entrepreneurs who joined my program. And one mother clearly told me that, ma'am, I started implementing that in my life, and she got very good transformation in her life. And she said that this framework is very much applicable for my business also. And I started implementing in my business also. So that was actually something very memorable for me. So not only for the homemakers, working women, even entrepreneurs are finding it wonderful. So to implement this, yeah. So I keep things very simple and easy because as a mother, even I prefer things that are very simple and easy to work on.